Easy strategy with Pipgems AI Charting Scanner, trading with pocket option in OTC currency market. First, we will configure the chart type into Heiken Ashi, with 5 seconds candle time frame. Target trade duration of 1 minute, and let's also add notes to our AI chart scanner. We already have Bollinger bands attached, with a period of 13 and the deviation of 3. As we upload our pocket option chart, our AI analysis prediction goes for a call. And as we can see in our chart, it truly matches with our human prediction. We will trade going up as well, confirming that the trend will go up for the next minute. Make sure that our AI charting configuration and pocket option charting configuration matches, or synced. Otherwise the result will not be fair. And we got win on that. Let's trade another one here. Let's scan it by pressing Ctrl plus print screen. Or you can see in the description below on how to use Share X and using its capture region feature. Let's upload and wait for the AI to analyze the chart. And as we can see, we got a call prediction. Let's go trade for it going up. Perfect trading method. You can try and test different indicators, just tell the AI on what indicators plus settings you added. Another good position here, and let's scan it first. And as we can see, we have put prediction. Based on AI prediction. The AI also have key observations. And as per AI's observation, the price is trending downwards as seen by the red Heiken Ashi candles. Price is near the lower Bollinger band, suggesting potential for continued downward movement within the deviation range. Let's go trade down on it. See the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies like this, especially trading with pocket option and other trading brokers.